What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, TuPhones for Free, back again with another informative video. I just want to go ahead and drop this video for you all and inform you all. If you didn't know by now you're about to know right now. YouTube Music, listen to me clearly. YouTube Music app and the Spotify app already on your mobile device, mainly Android phones, because some companies, some OEMs pre-install, and mainly all Android devices have YouTube Music pre-installed already. But Spotify on mainly, I think Nokia now and Samsung are already pre-installed for you to use out the gate. All right, you don't even have to pay the premium price. But there's, a few things you will have to do to get these two applications working for you. Not simultaneously, but work for you when you don't have internet access. If you don't see in the top right-hand corner of my mobile device, I am on airplane mode. All right, and there's a reason for that. It's not that I don't have internet. It's not that I don't have data. I do have data. I do have internet access. But for those of you that feel like your phone is jack without Wi-Fi, is jack without unlimited data or internet access, you're 100% wrong. Okay? And this has been proven time after time after time. I mean, again, there are phone services out here for free with limitations, but you can still use your smartphones just about anything. As long as these applications are pre-installed and you have files installed and downloaded onto your mobile device, and if you have SD card and whatever else may help you, maybe you do the OTG, the old school USB, the OTG, you have a flash drive and you got all your information on your flash drive and you just input it using a certain adapter, OTG adapter, to get like your movies and music running to your mobile device. You can still do that. Okay, that's still an option. But for YouTube Music and Spotify, you can absolutely use these applications without premium services. When I mean premium services, you don't have to be dishing out no $12 a month. You don't have to be dishing out no $10 a month. I mean, there's ways to get around it. All right, there's ways to get around the $10 a month. There's ways to get around the $12 a month. You do the like 4 months for free, or you can do the 3 months for free, whichever one is obligated and given to you. Or you sign up to another different service that say, well, since you got this, you can get this for 6 months. Since you got this, you can get this for a whole year for free. Walmart, T-Mobile, whoever else got some type of, collaboration, Google even. All right. But open up these applications. Let's go. Spotify. Again, I am on airplane mode and it looks like Spotify is working fine, right? Spotify is working fine. And majority of, music apps and radio apps, they allow you to download via Wi-Fi podcasts. Okay, you can set it to auto download. You can set it to download it at a certain time. You can set it to download when you get internet access, or you got limited data. Just let it automatically download. So just in case you do lose service, or you don't have no Wi-Fi, or you don't have no signal, you can still listen to podcasts, and you can still listen to your music. You can still watch your movies. But I'm not gonna get into that conversation. That'll be another video. If you guys want me to find the best movie apps, we'll do that. But Spotify, YouTube Music, you can use without premium service. You don't have to have the premium subscription, for either one. But if you're a content creator, I truly recommend having the premium services, because as a content creator, you could capitalize off that revenue. All right. But if you go to your library, local files, as you can see, these are files already installed on my mobile device. I can play these instantly.
Hey, where you get that beat from?
See? Local files. Key. Local files. That's all I gotta say.